Understanding Ramp for Wheelchairs, an Essential Guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very important topic that combines language learning with awareness about accessibility: ramp for wheelchairs. Understanding this phrase not only helps us with English but also teaches us about inclusivity and support for individuals with mobility challenges. So, let's get started. A ramp for wheelchairs is a sloped surface designed to enable individuals who use wheelchairs to access buildings, vehicles, or any elevated areas that would otherwise be inaccessible due to steps or curbs. These ramps are crucial for promoting accessibility and independence for people with mobility issues. They can be made of various materials like metal, wood, or concrete and come in different designs to suit various environments and needs. Ramps for wheelchairs are not just architectural features, they are essential tools for inclusion. They symbolize the commitment of a society to ensure that all individuals, regardless of their mobility status, have equal access to public spaces and services. By providing a way to bypass barriers like stairs, ramps help in fostering independence, dignity, and equal opportunities for people who use wheelchairs. Public buildings, like libraries, schools, and government offices. Businesses, restaurants, stores, and offices often have ramps at entrances. Transportation, bus stations, train stations, and airports are equipped with ramps to make travel more accessible. Homes, private residences may have ramps installed for personal use. Discussing ramps for wheelchairs also brings us into the broader language of accessibility and inclusivity. Phrases like wheelchair accessible, mobility aids, and inclusive design are important in conversations about making spaces and services open to everyone. Learning these terms is not only beneficial for your English vocabulary but also helps in understanding and advocating for a more inclusive world. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning and importance of ramp for wheelchairs. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also your awareness of the significance of accessibility in our communities. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's also about understanding and respecting the diverse world we live in. Until next time, keep learning and stay inclusive.